Hi everybody, we're going to be doing apple crisp today. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350. And then you need 4 to 5 apples. You need to peel them, core them, and then slice them up. And I made mine real thin. The next thing you need to do, get a baking dish. And you want to have about 4 layers of apples. But you first want to butter your dish really well. All around, bottom, sides. And then you're going to pour your apples into your baking dish. Now I used Honeycrisp. I usually use Macintosh, but I couldn't find any Macintosh. So I have to use up these apples. So once you got all your apples done, put them in your buttered dish and spread them out. And then you need a half a cup, or a half a stick of butter. And I'm gonna shred mine. That way it will melt better. Okay, and then in a bowl, you need to put some flour, sugar, and cinnamon. Get hands washed here. So you need a cup of sugar. And 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. A teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And get a whisk and kind of whip it around. Get it all mixed up. And then place your butter in. And get that all coated. I kind of just chop it down with my whisk. And now you're going to sprinkle this on the apples. get it all coated, all up to your sides. And then you're gonna put this in your oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. Set your timer. If you've watched the other video, we're running the contest. When I get 200 subscribers, you'll win one of the cast iron pans I use. Bargie's gonna pull out the number, and you just have to be registered so I know how to get a hold of you, and it's for U.S. residents only. And then when I hit the 500 mark, you'll win a little Dutch oven, but I do the hush puppies and French fries and stuff in. And then when I hit the big 1,000, I will be getting a KitchenAid mixer to one winner. So please subscribe, like, share, comment, and when my apple crisp is done, I'll be back. Okay, my buzzer went off, so's my bird. Now you gotta let this sit out for about an hour before you can refrigerate it. You want just all that syrup to absorb everything. And that's it. Get some vanilla ice cream out and you'll have a really awesome dessert. Again, thank you for subscribing, watching, and commenting, sharing. And don't forget about the contest, so be sure you register with YouTube and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back maybe later tonight. I got a few apples left I have to use up. I'm thinking of making some apple tarts. So you all have a good afternoon.